Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, another fun day planned for you. But right now, we're going to meet up with Jake. Jake from State Farm. You know the guy. He's become quite the regular on the channel.
What's up?
What are you doing, Jake?
Not much, dude. I've never seen you ride this bike before.
You don't know about this bike.
I know about it. I've never seen you ride it.
The GSXR is being rebuilt.
I saw that.
Jake, have you ever ridden a Triumph?
I have not, no.
Today's your day, man. You get to ride it. Jake, do you like Indian food?
I've had very limited Indian food in my life, but yes.
I found an Indian spot that's not real traditional. I kind of want to try it, man. The place is called Tikka. Never heard of it?
I've never heard of it.
When's the last time you had Indian food?
Maybe 3 years ago?
3 years ago. And then the time before that?
Never.
So you've only had Indian food once in your life. I've recently become a huge fan of Indian food. Chicken tikka masala, it's so good. That and buttered chicken. I have a key tag that I'd like to give away, so let's find a spot. Let's hide it somewhere.
You want to hide it right here?
Here? No, it's too easy.
Yeah, it's too
I need to fill up some video.
Where shall we go?
I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to follow you around for a little bit till you find a good spot to hide that.
No, I can do that. Hey, you know what today is?
What?
3-year anniversary of my crash.
3 years ago today, you were inches from death.
On my deathbed, yeah.
After a crash on a motorcycle.
Yep.
And you're celebrating the 3-year anniversary of riding a motorcycle.
Yep.
You're a brave man. Oh, Jake. I hate to say it, but I don't think this is ever going to turn green for you.
The light?
Yeah, ever. You got to go that way or run the light. I don't care what you do. I'll follow you.
That light is a motorcycle behind us. It's starboard.
Oh man, there was a motorcyclist behind us at that light. I should have warned him that that light was never gonna turn for him. I thought he's still there. Feel bad, dude. Where is Jake gonna hide the key tag? Quick update on the GSXR. We found a painter. I don't have any renderings of what it's gonna look like yet, but the dude that's gonna be painting it, A-OK. I'll tell you a little bit more in another video. I just don't want to give too much away. But the GSXR, it's on its way to be great again. Much love to Lab Motorsports in Irvine for taking the project on. Now we're gonna get this bike to 100,000, and it's gonna look amazing. Very excited about it. And it's not too late, man. If you guys want to go down there and check out the bike in its current condition before it gets all spruced up, please go ahead. I dropped off a bunch of Suburban Delinquent stickers for you guys, man. So go in there, say what's up, look at the bike, grab a free sticker. Earlier we were talking about Jake's accident. I don't know if I've ever told you about it on this channel. You know, he races dirt bikes, and 3 years ago to the day, he was out doing a race in the middle of the desert, went off course and crashed. He crashed into a bush, and a branch of the bush went right through his neck, man. Right through his neck and arm. I mean, it was a big deal. He went to pick himself up and realized he couldn't. Looked down, blood gushing out. Couldn't get back on the bike, and he was off course, so nobody saw him. It's kind of crazy, right? He's bleeding out, can't move, and he just kind of accepted death. He realized there wasn't anything that he could do. He basically laid down next to his bike to die. Crazy, right? Just as he accepted death, another rider went off course and stumbled onto him, ripped his jersey off, did his best to stop the bleeding, and saved his life. And he was life flighted out of there, man. He made it to the hospital. He was minutes from death. 3 years ago today, dude's back on a motorcycle, and he's still racing. And he's still racing in the desert too. Kid is fearless, man. Good for him, right? Jake's got an Instagram account. I think he's got some pics of it. He's got some nasty scars, man. Some crazy war wounds. I think he's posted a couple photos on his Instagram. Brave man up there. Good for you, man. Shout out to all the line workers in the world. The size of that church. It's kind of a weird place to put a church. I mean, there is nothing back here. Alright, so oddly enough, this is exactly where I'm going in a video that I'm planning to film 3 days from now. Good job, Jake. You duplicated a video for me. It is in plastic, Jake, so if you want to bury it, it might be okay.
Oh yeah, it's true. I can bury it, huh?
Not a bad spot. All right. If you guys want to know where we're at, we're right across the street from the Silverado post office. All right, Jake, I'm going to put you on the Triumph.
All right, my turn.
This bike is incredibly heavy, incredibly torquey, and doesn't like to turn. You have good insurance, right? What's the problem?
I just need to go to neutral.
It's British. It doesn't like neutral. He's having a tough time riding that bike. Good? A bunch of adventure dicks out today. So the place we're going to, it's called Tikka. There's two locations. I believe there's one in Claremont, California, and the other one is here in, I think, Mission Viejo. This location was opened in 2015. It's really well reviewed on Yelp, so pretty excited about it. I think I'll beat that guy to the white line. Good job, Jake. Couldn't wait for him. Couldn't wait for him. Jake stalled it. Shit! I think that's it. Why didn't my GPS tell me that? I cannot believe I just happened to look left and there it is. Here's your key.
Thanks, sir. Bike is fun.
You want to buy one?
Hey, if you ever decide to sell, let me know.
I can't sell that. All right, all right. You got to wear a face mask.
I got a helmet on.
All good. How you doing? Are we allowed to eat inside? Well, it's kind of a nice day. Maybe we'll just eat outside. Okay, we've never been here before. I heard that you've got tacos.
I heard just
Gotcha. I'll do the shrimp wrap, no onion.
And then chicken tikka taco, please. Then, have you ever had a gyro? And can we get just an a la carte gyro?
Oh, you want the gyro, like $9.99, right? No combo, no platter, nothing.
Right. Thanks, man. Jake from State Farm. By far not traditional Indian food whatsoever. We got the beef gyro, you got the shrimp tikka wrap, and we got the chicken tikka taco. Out of all three, what did you enjoy?
The beef gyro was definitely my most favorite.
You like the gyro?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think of the chicken?
Chicken was okay. Kind of had like a funny taste to it, I feel like.
It's okay. I understand. And then what about the shrimp wrap you ordered?
Shrimp wrap was pretty good. Nothing too special about it, but not bad either.
Would you come back at all for any of this?
I'd come back for the beef gyro.
The gyro? Listen, dude, if you like gyros, I got a spot for you. I don't know, if I was in the area and I was looking for a quick tiki wrap, I'd probably do it, man. I liked it. Everything that you saw on the table today, about $31. We didn't get anything to drink. $31 bucks. I don't know. I'm okay with it.